Hello everyone, welcome to yloc. Grade 6 worksheet. Today will be November 18th. This video is being made on November 18th for this specific worksheet. So the first section is talking about scientific notations, and it says provide the scientific notation for each value. How scientific notation is written is it takes one digit in front of the decimal, puts the rest behind the decimal, and multiplies the correct number of 10 to the certain power. And that specific power in this case is going to be 6 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits before the first decimal point, right? This is going to be the scientific notation. The rest are all in the same manner. Let's go over number 5 then. So this is super simple as well. 9.5, and then if it's 0 you don't have to think about it, and then you do 10 to the 1, 2, 3 fourths. Last question right here, 190,000 is going to be 1.9 times 10 to the 5th because there's 5 digits behind the first one. Scientific notation continues. Alright, write the numbers in normal form. So this is just as simple. So 10 to the 7th means 7 zeros out back, but there's 2 decimal points, so 2, 0, 8, and then 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the columns is necessary, and you get 20,800,000. 1 times 10 squared. You just move the decimal point over twice from the end, and then you get 0, 0, and then you get 100. Very cool. Number 9, 7.5 times 10 cubed. So it's gonna be 7, 5, and then since it already went once, twice, 3 times, 2 more zeros. This one's just as simple. It's gonna be 6, 8, 9, 6, 0, 0, 0. There's 3 zeros because there's 3 decimal places, and 6 minus 3 is gonna be 3. There's 3 more zeros. Find the missing numbers. So if you guys go over this, you'll get minus 0.4, and then you'll get minus 0.4, and then right here you get 0.3. Wow, it's just subtraction. If it's addition right here, similar respect, minus 0.3, minus 0.3, and then you get equals to 3. 3 plus 0.3 is going to be 3.3. Let's go over this one. 4.5 minus 2.7. 4.5 minus 2.7, and you're going to get 1. And this goes 3, 1, 8, 18. But the decimal point carries over, so it's going to be 1.8. Alright, the subtraction of decimal numbers. Okay, let's go over this last section right here. I'm going to go over how to do a little more things a little slower later because this video is super short. But, I mean, we went over 2 sections of scientific notation, so I can't really make a lot out of it. Find the missing numbers. Well, this is subtraction here, so you add to both sides because that's how solving works. You have to add to the 0.7 to get 0. Plus 0 means you can get rid of it. This clears out, and then plus 0.7. That's going to be 6.7 plus 0.7. Since you have to add 0.7 because you added it to both sides of the equal sign, you'll get 7.4 as your answer for number 1. For number 2, 2.2 and 5.40. So you can disregard the 0 for now. You do plus the exact same thing onto both sides. To both sides right here. Get rid of this, get rid of this, and then you get 7.6. So when you add, so number 3 is gonna be also addition, adding just 5.21, 21 to both sides, 2, 1 to both sides. That's gonna be 0, 7, 6, 6.70. There's your answer. This one's a little special. 4.1 minus something equals 0.01. Alright, and we have to find out what we have to subtract from 4.1 to get 0.01. So, something's, if you guys know how to divide or like change signs, just subtract 4.1, okay, onto both sides. And then what am I gonna get? I'm gonna get negative 4.09 from the result of the subtraction. But the thing is, there's a negative sign in front of this thing, so two negatives make it positive, and then you get 4.09. That's your answer. Let's see, right here, number 6, similar. 8.1 minus blank equals 2.4. Well, this can also, you can do the exact same thing, or I'll show you a different way. Subtract 2.4 from here. Then what are you left with? You're left with 0. And then once you subtract 2.4 from here, I cannot draw with mouse, then you'll get 5.7. Alright, so the answer is 5.7. 5.7 minus the blank equals to 0. Well, something is only equal to 0 when it's subtracted by itself. So this is also going to be 5.7. Here, number 9, exact same energy. Minus 7, minus 7. You get 0.9 minus blank equals to 0. Then you'll get 0.9 into this square, or into this line, because that's how the inverse property of addition works, or subtraction. But you can only get 0 once you subtract something from another. So apparently, since they need more time, scientific notation. Let's go over one more problem from each of these. Right here, 1.129,000 is going to be 1.29 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places, 10 to the 5th. Number 6 right here, 3.6 times 10 to the 6th. It's going to be 3, 6, and then there's 5 zeros because it's 10 to the 6th, and we only have to move over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. That's the answer for everything. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.